done with your dinner yet?
No.
Well, you're not getting your butt up from that table until you're done.
But I don't like it. I can't wait until I get older to do stuff my way.
What's up, y'all? Thank you so much for tuning in to my first episode of Cooking in My Way with your girl, Shay. Now, before y'all do anything else, please click that like and subscribe button below to keep supporting your girl so I can keep hitting y'all with these meals. Okay, so today what we're going to be cooking my way is spaghetti and meatballs. So I came up with the concept of this show. I love to cook for one, and it's a stress reliever for me. It's something that I do all day, every day. I always have a ton of flavors, ideas in my head, things that I like. Growing up, I didn't really like anything. There was a lot of food I didn't like, and I just always had this attitude of when I get older, I'm going to cook things the way I want to, my way, my ingredients, whatever tastes good to me. So this is what I'm doing. Make sure y'all support if y'all like the way that I do things. Just let me know some meals or something maybe that y'all like, and I can show you my own little twist on it and do it my way. So let's get into these ingredients for the spaghetti and meatballs my way. Traditionally, you would use ground beef for your meatballs, but when I do it, I like to use a little spicy Owen sausage, breakfast sausage, and you can either use your ground beef, or if you like ground turkey, you can use ground turkey as well. I also have some breadcrumbs that I'm going to use and add to them, and I'm going to show you why when I do the meatballs my way. Then I have your cubes of mozzarella cheese that I'm going to use. I also have a pre-made spaghetti sauce. Now, if y'all want to know how I made this sauce, just leave me a comment. Let me know. I'll do the recipe or do a short video for you. If not, you can use any sauce. You can use your ragu, prego, whatever type of spaghetti sauce you like to use. If you don't want to make it, it's fine. You also have some Parmesan here, some shredded Parmesan. This right here is a little blend of Italian seasonings that I have. Also, if you would like to know what's in it, leave me a comment, and I'll show you how I make my Italian seasoning as well. And I have a little egg that I'm going to add, olive oil, little pepper, and then of course I have my spaghetti pasta. So let's cook. Okay, so once I mix a little bit of the Italian seasoning, I know I have the Owen sausage in here, but because I did add half of the ground beef, I still want to add a little bit of my seasoning to the meat. I like to season my food from beginning to end. So now I'm going to take a nice size ball. I mean, no measuring. You can do whatever you like. And in order to put, I'm going to take about 1 block of the mozzarella. So in order to cover this, just stick the ball in there. You can mold your meatball around your cheese until it's closed and you have a ball. And then for a little extra crispiness, once I do this, I just kind of like to take mine and roll it around just a little bit in my breadcrumbs because I like a little crunch under my sauce on top of my spaghetti. There you go. So let's make these meatballs. Okay, so now that I have the meatballs light brown, evenly browned on each side, I'm going to go ahead and add my sauce to the pot. So, just because I don't want it to splash, I'm going to go ahead and spoon it in. And as y'all can see, it was just a little bit of olive oil still left at the bottom of the pan, which is okay. And because I've already seasoned the spaghetti sauce and also the meatballs, I may just add just a little bit more. I'm gonna definitely add some black pepper, and I may add a little bit more of the Italian seasoning that I have. So I'm just gonna cover my meatballs with the sauce here that I've added into the pot, and I'm gonna leave these on the stove. I'm gonna put the top on and let this simmer so it can cook all the way through, get a little juicy in the meatballs before all the cheese oozes out. And I'm gonna come back and check on this and take these out in about 10 minutes. Okay, so now that I've let the meatballs simmer for about 10 minutes, I turn my fire off. Looks like they are ready. That cheese is starting to ooze out. We don't want it all to ooze out, so we're going to go ahead and get us one of these good old meatballs here. Oh, okay. And then I'm going to get my spoon. I'm going to add a little extra sauce. I like it a little salty. If you like more sauce, you can add it around on your spaghetti. Also, if you want your spaghetti all mixed together with your sauce, I do that sometimes too. You can do that as well. All right, y'all. Let's get into this spaghetti and meatball my way. So before I cut into this juicy meatball, I'm gonna take a little bit of Parmesan cheese and sprinkle. Just how I like it. I don't even need a knife, y'all. You see this fork? This meatball is juicy. Y'all see that cheese? Mozzarella meatball cooked through, nice and juicy. Get a little of the spaghetti. I can't wait, I can't wait. That's it. This is spaghetti and meatball my way. Y'all don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep supporting your girl so I can come back and hook y'all up with some more meals.